Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are having fun. So today I'm going to show you guys two different hairstyles, both of which are meant for the sweater season. So the first hairstyle is a bun. So this is going to be a voluminous bun at the top of our head. So for that purpose I am not using a comb, I'm using my fingers because I want to maintain the volume in my bun. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair, which I have brought up into a ponytail, and I'm going to twist it and wrap it. So in total I have done the twist and wrap thing for like 4 times. So I've like twisted my hair and then wrapped my hair into a bun. That process went in for 4 times. So if you have lengthier hair, so you will be supposed to do it for like 5 to 6 times, and if you have shorter hair then you will be done in, I suppose, 2 to 3 times. Now once that is done, you have to take a hair tie and secure your bun right over there, because you do not want your bun to fall off or unravel throughout the day. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the hair of a bun, or I'm just going to pull at my bun so that the bun looks bigger and it looks messier and it has got that beautiful shape, something with which I would be satisfied. So once that is done, I'm going to take bobby pins. I'm going to stick them around the bun so that everything stays over there, and if there are some unnecessary hair which are sticking out of my bun, the problem will be solved using a bobby pin. Now after that I will be pulling out some hair in front in order to frame my face, and I'll be also pulling some hair at the top so that it kind of looks like a poof and bigger and voluminous. That's it guys, this is how you're supposed to do it. Now let's move to our hairstyle number 2, and this is going to be a braided ponytail. Now for this hairstyle I've parted my hair into 2 halves. So I've done a mid part, and for now I'm working on my left side. So I've taken a section of my hair, you can see over here, and I've divided into 3 different parts, and then I'm going to take my left part and bring it under the middle part, and then I'm going to take my right part and then again bring it under the middle part. Now when I next time reach the left part, I'm going to add some hair into it, and then I am going to bring it under the middle part, and similarly when I reach my right part, I'm going to add some hair from the front, and then I'm going to bring it under the middle part. Now this process is done for the Dutch braid. So precisely for this particular braided ponytail I am going to do a Dutch braid. Now guys, you are supposed to do this Dutch braid along the frame, or you could say along your, it should be touching your ear and it should not go over your head. So you will be able to see that in a while. Now once you're done on your left side, you will have to do the same braid on the other side as well, that is on the right side, and then you can bring both of your braids together and stick them with a bobby pin, and then I'll show you that what is that you do next. Now it's done, and now I'm going to show you guys. So I've pinned up both my braids and it looks really pretty. So if you are having a turtleneck sweater, this hairstyle will perfectly suit it. And then I have tied all of my hair with the help of a hair tie, and I have opened up all the braids which are there in the ponytail. Now the last step that you need to do is that you need to take a section of your hair and tie it around the hair tie so that the entire ponytail looks really sleek and classy. And another step that you could add is that you could pull onto the braids and make it look bigger and massive. That's it guys. So these were my 2 hairstyles for the winter season, and I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. So if you did, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.